Model, 66-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 125PS 350 L3H3 rear-wheel drive, ULEZ compliant, needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 162,063. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2-125PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward simple turbo replacement on this very rare 2.2 timing chain engine, which is ULEZ compliant. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status: ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on